Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionsTraderToday. So today in this video I will tell you how the Bank Nifty and Nifty has moved in the last 2 days and how the Bank Nifty and Nifty can move in the next 2 days. See what we can see today, that the Bank Nifty is currently trading at around 35,312. Okay, now understand one thing. We have seen a continuous rise from 2020 April. Okay, after this one continuous rise we have seen that the Bank Nifty is currently trading in this particular zone. Okay, and after this particular continuous fall, okay, we have seen the price the Bank Nifty is now moving an upside. Okay, if we look at the chart, the low of that particular candle is around 32,213 and from there it has rised around 3000 point and made a high of around 35,357. Okay, so what we can see looking at this particular candle, we can see that if it sustain this level, we can see the price of the Bank Nifty can touch a level of 35,447. okay, and if it sustain above this level, we can see it can move towards a level of 36,075. okay, and suppose if this level sustain karta hai, then probability of touching a level of 37,602 is also there, and we can see further upside towards a level of 38,321. okay, but agar this level didn't sustain, then probability of going towards a level of 34,638 is high, and these levels has weakened the support, so probability of reaching towards a level of 34 is high. okay, if it goes below this level, then we can see it can move towards a level of 33,381, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of 32,123. okay, and this 32,123 is already being tested here, so chances of going towards a level of 34,117 is high, and these levels are already being tested. This support is already being tested here, so chances of going towards 29,608 is high. okay, if it goes below a level of 32,393, but suppose if this level sustain, we can see it can move towards a level of it can move towards a level of 35,896, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of 36,225. okay, and these levels are already being tested here, so chance of going towards 37,153 is high, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of 37,243, and from there we can see a level of 38,051. okay, and these levels are already being tested here, so chances of going towards 38,321, and from there we can see a level of 38,501 also. okay, and from there we can see a level of 38,860. these levels are being tested here, so chances of going towards 39,396 is very high. okay, so because we have seen the probability of going upside has changed, now down has changed, and now probability of upside is very high. okay, we talk about Nifty. okay, if we talk about Nifty also, you can see that the trend has changed. okay, we can see a swing has created this particular range. The low of that particular Nifty is around 15,681. okay, and if this price sustain, we can see it can move towards a level of 16,779, which has already moved up and now trading at around 16,871. suppose if this level sustain, the next support we can see is coming at around 17,145, and if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can move towards a level of 17,430, and once if it goes above this level, we can see it can touch a level of 17,511, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of 17,809, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, we can see it can move towards a level of high of around 18,026, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of 18,121. okay, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of 18,03, and once this level crossed upside, because then probability of going towards a level of 18,443 is high. but suppose if the price didn't sustain, the Nifty didn't sustain, then a strong support we can see is coming at around 16,766. okay, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 16,630. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can move towards a level of 16,549, and from there we can see a level of 16,155. okay, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 15,966. once if it goes below this 15,966, then we can see it can come again to a level of 15,640. any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, and these are all my personal view which I am sharing. Please consult a financial advisor before investing or trading. so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.